Hello, students. Today we will study important part of this chapter, halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons, that is reactions of haloarine. Three types of reactions of haloarine are given. So first type of reactions are reactions of haloarine with metal. It is like Wood's reaction. So this is called as a Woods-Fittig reaction. In this reaction, this is bromobenzene when react with this methyl bromide is a alkyl halide, and this is aryl halide. That is aryl halide and alkyl halide when react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, it give the hydrocarbon containing aryl group and alkyl group with side product here sodium bromide. So this is called as a Woods-Fittig reaction. Example is when this bromobenzene is treated with methyl bromide, and sodium metal, then this reaction take place in the presence of dry ether and give the combination of this alkyl and aryl group. So this compound is methylbenzene, commonly called as a toluene. So this is the product obtained in Woods-Fittig reaction. The side product is sodium bromide. Again, listen carefully. What is Woods-Fittig reaction? The reaction of aryl halide with alkyl halide and sodium metal in dry ether give substituted aromatic compound is known as Woods-Fittig reaction. This is an extension of Woods reaction. This is carried out by Fittig, and therefore this reaction is named as a Woods-Fittig reaction. Then we will consider a Fittig reaction, that is a reaction of only aryl halide and the sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, that gives a product containing two aryl groups bonded to each other. This is called as a Fittig reaction. So remember this well, the difference between Woods-Fittig and Fittig reaction. In Fittig reaction, these two molecules of aryl halide react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, give diaryl compound. It is called as a Fittig reaction. And in Woods reaction, this aryl halide react with alkyl halide with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, give a product or hydrocarbon containing alkyl and aryl group. So that is the main difference between Woods reaction and the Fittig reaction. This is chlorobenzene react with two atoms of sodium in the presence of dry ether. Here this sodium react with this 2 chlorine. Here there must be a 2 times chlorobenzene. So that gives the two phenyl ring bonded to each other called as a biphenyl, and the side product is sodium chloride. Then the second type of reaction of this aryl halide is nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloarine. We had already studied nucleophilic substitution reaction of alkyl halide. Now we will study nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes. Now here aryl halide show low reactivity reason, that is aryl halide show low reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. That is, aryl halide have less reactivity in SN reaction. There are two reasons for this low reactivity. One of the reason is resonance effect, and second reason is sp2 hybrid state of carbon. So two reasons are resonance effect and second is sp2 hybrid state of carbon. Now the first reason, so one of the lone pair of electrons on halogen atom, this halogen atom have three lone pair of electrons and fourth is used for bonding with this aromatic ring. So one of the lone pair of electrons of halogen atom, here chlorine atom, is in conjugation with pi electrons of aromatic ring. For example, following different resonance structure can be written for the chlorobenzene like this. In the first example or the first structure, this one of the lone pair that is shifted between carbon chlorine bond, then this double bond between carbon and carbon at ortho position that breaks and electron pair is moved on ortho position that creates negative charge at ortho position in the next structure. At the same time, the chlorine, after removal of lone pair, it possesses a positive charge. So this is second resonance structure. All resonance structures are unstable. They are just the structures obtained by the movement of electron pairs. So here in the second resonance structure, negative charge at ortho position is shifted to this second and third position in aromatic ring, so that the double bond in the next position that is transferred to the para position that is shown in the third structure. The above positive charge on the chlorine that remains the same. Then in the third structure, again this negative charge that moves at the next position of this carbon-carbon single bond that becomes a double bond in the fourth structure, and the negative charge is developed at ortho position to the opposite side of previous ortho position. So that can be shown in the fourth structure, negative charge at ortho position that is again unstable, which move at this first carbon and the last carbon that is ortho position, and double bond again retain, that is double bond is converted into single bond and the positive charge on chlorine is neutralized and the lone pair of electron that is again present on chlorine that is shown in the fifth structure. So these structures contain the same positions of all atoms in this molecule chlorobenzene. Only the positions of electrons are changed. These structures are called as a resonance structures. The resonance structure 2, 3 and 4 show double bond character to the carbon chlorine bond, meaning it's here double bond character. Similarly, here double bond character and double bond character. So second structure, third structure and the fourth structure have carbon chlorine double bond character. So when double bond character is present between any bond, then that bond becomes a shorter bond. So that bond is a shorter bond and it is a stronger bond. Shorter bond and the stronger bond than in chloroalkane molecule, that is carbon chlorine bond. Then, so here actual bond length is also given. This carbon chlorine bond in chlorobenzene is 169, and in alkyl chloride it is 178 picometer. So in alkyl chloride this bond length is large, and in aryl chloride, that is chlorobenzene, this bond length is a long. So hence it is difficult to break. So phenyl cation is produced due to self ionization of halorine will not be stabilized by resonance, which rules out the possibility of SN1 reaction mechanism, and the backside attack of nucleophile that is also blocked due to aromatic ring, and that also rules out this possibility of SN2 reaction. So towards SN reaction, that is SN1 and SN2 reaction, these possibilities are absent in halorine. Now there are some examples of SN reactions, that is a nucleophilic substitution reactions of halorine, but these reactions take place in the presence of certain groups at the certain positions of the ring that makes this markedly reactive or the active halogen of the aryl halide towards the substitution reaction. Here, for example, the presence of electron withdrawing group. Remember this, electron withdrawing group means the groups which remove the electrons from the aromatic ring and which activate the ortho and para positions greatly, which increases the reactivity towards substitution reactions. More the number of electron withdrawing groups, then greater will be the reactivity. We will study examples for this. This is first example in which this electron withdrawing group is NO2 group. It is present at para position in chlorobenzene. When it react with NaOH and NaOH and H3O plus at 433 Kelvin, then this chlorine group in chlorobenzene is substituted by OH group. So this is a nucleophilic substitution reaction that is taking place with chlorobenzene, that is aryl halide containing electron withdrawing nitro group at para position. This is para nitrochlorobenzene and the name of product is para nitrophenol. So this is first example of SN reaction of aryl halide. Then second example is, again this is a chlorobenzene containing electron withdrawing group NO2 at ortho position and at para position. So there are two electron withdrawing groups, one at ortho position, other at para position. So here requires the less stronger base than the previous reaction, because this SN reaction take place easily because there are two electron withdrawing groups. Again, the temperature condition is low than the previous reaction. In previous reaction it is 433, it is only 403. Then the substitution of this chloro group take place by OH group easily, because there are two electron withdrawing groups at ortho and para position. So names are, it is a 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene and it is 2,4-dinitrophenol. Then third example of this type of SN reaction containing electron withdrawing groups are, this is again a chlorobenzene containing nitro group at both ortho and one para position. So there are 3 electron withdrawing groups. Name of this reactant is 2,4,6. This is second position, this is fourth position, and this is sixth position. So 2, 4 and 6 trinitrochlorobenzene. So here the base, stronger base is not required at all. Just warm, and in the presence of H2O, this chlorine group is substituted. Chlorine group is substituted by OH group in the product. So this is very good example of nucleophilic substitution reaction of aryl halide containing electron withdrawing groups. Then the next type of third type of reactions of aryl halide are electrophilic substitution reactions. In short, it is called as a SE reaction, meaning it's substitution electrophilic reaction. So in substitution electrophilic reaction, this aryl halide undergo electrophilic substitution reaction slowly as compared to benzene. Here the reason is the resonance structure of benzene, in which electron density is relatively more at ortho position and para position. Therefore, incoming group, electrophilic group, that is attacked at ortho and para position, but due to steric hindrance, means crowding effect, due to crowding effect this of ortho position, the para product is usually predominates, means the major product in this type of reaction is a para product because of less steric hindrance. In haloarine, halogen atom is a strong electron withdrawing. It shows minus I effect, and this deactivates the aromatic ring, and electrophilic substitution reaction occurs slowly. So the first electrophilic substitution reaction is halogenation. What is halogenation? Halogenation means substitution of halogen is called as a halogenation. Here we will consider halogenation reaction of aryl halide. Here this is chlorobenzene react with chlorine in the presence of Lewis acid catalyst. There are different examples of Lewis acid catalyst like Fe or FeCl3 or anhydrous ZnCl2 or AlCl3. Here we had used the Lewis acid catalyst is anhydrous FeCl3. Here this chlorine group is substituted at ortho position and at para position. We get dichlorobenzene. Here the two products are possible. One is at para position and other is at ortho position. The names are 1,4-dichlorobenzene and it is 1,2-dichlorobenzene, also called as para-dichlorobenzene, and this is called as a meta-orthodichlorobenzene. Out of these two products, the major product is 1,4-dichlorobenzene because during substitution of this electrophile chlorine, here is a less steric hindrance, less crowding effect than at ortho position. At ortho position, there is more steric hindrance steric effect, crowding effect, and therefore this product we get as a minor product. Then second example of electrophilic substitution of aromatic compound is a nitration. This nitration means substitution of NO2 group, that is a nitro group. This reaction of haloarine is carried out using concentrated nitric acid, and this reaction takes place in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. So this mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is called as a nitrating mixture. Here, see the reaction. This is chlorobenzene react with nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. When it is heated, then the nitro group is substituted at para position and the nitro group is substituted at ortho position. Here the 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene and here 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene, these are the two possible products are obtained. Then third type of electrophilic substitution reaction, that is SE type of reaction, is a sulfonation. Sulfonation means substitution of sulfonic acid group, and the sulfonic acid group is SO3H. When chlorobenzene is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, that is also called as a fuming sulfuric acid, when it is heated, then we get sulfonic acid group substituted at ortho position and sulfonic acid group is substituted at para position. So name of this product is 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, and this is 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. So that is about the third type of SE type of reaction. Then fourth type of electrophilic substitution reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. There are two types of Friedel-Crafts reaction. One is Friedel-Crafts alkylation and other is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Here we will study first example is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation. When chlorobenzene, that is a aryl halide, treated with this methyl chloride, that is alkyl halide, this reaction takes place in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. This is a Lewis acid. Then the substitution of this methyl group takes place at ortho position in chlorobenzene and para position in chlorobenzene. Here the names of products are 1-chlorotoluene and next is a 4-chlorotoluene. So this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Here alkyl groups are substituted in aryl compound, that is aromatic compounds. Then next example of Friedel-Crafts acylation is substitution of acyl group in aryl halide. This is chlorobenzene, that is example of aryl halide. When react with CH3COCl, this is acetyl chloride, commonly called as acyl chloride. When treated with anhydrous AlCl3, then substitution of this CH3CO group take place at ortho position in chlorobenzene, similarly para position in chlorobenzene. So we get 1-chloro acetophenone, and here 4-chloroacetophenone. These are the products. So that is about the Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reactions. So today we had studied these reactions of halorine. There are three types of reactions of halorine. One is reactions of halorine with active metal. Second type is nucleophilic substitution reaction. And third type is electrophilic substitution reactions. Under electrophilic substitution reactions, we had studied halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, and Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. Thank you. That is about the reactions of aryl halides.